How to play Mortal Kombat Mobile online with friends. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to play Mortal Kombat Mobile online with friends. So let's get started. First of all, ensure that Mortal Kombat Mobile is installed on your device. You can find it in your App Store or Play Store by searching for Mortal Kombat Mobile and download it if you haven't already. Also, make sure that the game is up to date to access all new features and for better gameplay. Open the game, sign in with your account, or create one if you're new to the game. Now let's find your friends in the game. Look for the friends icon, which usually resembles little people, and tap on it to play with your friends. You'll need to add them as your friends first. Look for the Add Friends option or something similar. You might need to search for the username or your special friend code they provide. Once your friend is in the game, it's time to invite them for a battle. Choose the game mode you prefer. Options like versus or multiplayer are common. Then select your friend from the list and send them an invite. You'll now be able to play with them. This is how you can play Mortal Kombat Mobile online with friends. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing video like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.